All right, so let's talk about JASMY coin. So currently, JASMY is probably still where we were yesterday. We're very close to that. If we go down to the daily time frame, and I don't want to use the wicks because I don't. That would be at 5 cents exactly, and I believe the top we said was, at least from where I'm charting it, was 28 cents basically. All right, so the next target to the upside is still the 236. That has not changed since yesterday, which is at 10.5 cents. If you get above 10 cents, 10.5, close the daily candle above it, I do think the bottom is in, and we can probably confirm that. If you get above the 618, which is all the way up there at 19.1, we'll call it 19.2 to be safe. If you get above 19.2, close the daily candle above that, then I think obviously the bottom is confirmed, but I think that also confirms if you get above the 618 on a daily candle close, especially weekly candle close, is that we're about to make a no all-time high in JASMY. That's a long ways away. First, we have to hit 10.5, but that's just kind of what I think would happen if you can get above the 618. Let me go to the 6-hour chart, and then we'll go up from there and look at the MACD and see how that's looking. MACD on the 6-hour is trying to turn bullish. That's good. 12-hour, it's going back to the upside. Still bearish, but it's reversing the upside, which is good. And the daily chart is still bearish, and that actually has a lot more downside action it could go. We'll see what happens there. The 3-day chart probably doesn't have a lot of data. That's still going down. So daily chart, 3-day chart, still more downside action, but the 6-hour chart and the 12-hour chart look bullish to me. So you could still have a rally a little bit higher, but I don't expect it to be a strong rally because the daily chart and the 3-day chart probably need to reset on the MACD still. So that takes a long time to reset because it's such a big time frame. But I do expect us to probably be range bound between 4-5. Like I said, you can't lose 4-5. Well, no, I'm sorry. The line in the sand was 4 cents, but I don't think you go below 4-5 if Bitcoin stays above $36,000. Which, yeah, you're $1,000 higher now. So if Bitcoin stays about $36,000, I don't expect you to go below 4-5. So I expect us to be range bound between 4-5 and probably, honestly, 6 cents at the most. Until Bitcoin gets above $40,000. So that's all I got. I like this coin long term. If Bitcoin can remain bullish, which it's not really bullish short term, but if you get above $42,000, then I think you're bullish again. So Bitcoin goes bullish, then I think this is a chance to make a new all-time high this year. That's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, also one more thing: if you lose 4 cents, I think we're in a bear market overall for crypto because that can't happen on JASMY, or at least you're in a bear market for JASMY. And if you're in a bear market for JASMY, I think you're in a bear market for crypto overall because I don't think JASMY goes below 4 cents unless Bitcoin capitulates down to $30,000. So that's kind of my analysis on this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.